Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tadasa and I make all kinds of luxury, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If those are the kind of things that you're interested in, which it is because you're here watching this video, then please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. So today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have on right here. She is called Miss Lenore and she is by Outre. So let me show you her stock card. That's what she looks like, and I got her in the color DR130. So DR130 is kind of a, I wouldn't say, it's kind of a coppery color, copper red, copper orangey brown color. That didn't make sense, but you see what color it is. It's called DR130, and this is from Outre's The Daily Collection. So theoretically, because it's called the Daily Wig, you should be able to wear this on an everyday basis. So it should be more durable than normal synthetic wigs. We shall see, because I haven't tested that out yet, but we'll see how she holds up. So far, I'm really surprised that I am liking her, because typically I'm not a huge fan of straight hair, and this is more, it's not silky. This is definitely, it definitely has some texture. Like I think it's called, they're calling it the salon blowout. I don't know if I agree with that or not. I don't think my hair feels like this when I get it blown out. I actually think my hair is silkier when but so yeah, it definitely has some texture. It's not super silky, but I'm not typically a fan of straight hair, especially since this quarantine weight gain. Okay, I need some volume to take away from that. But yeah, she is really gorgeous. I'm really liking her. She does tangle a little. Well, it's not really tangling right now, but she does tangle. And she does shed a little bit. Yeah, I got some in my brush that time. So I would definitely say there's going to be maintenance involved with her, but you can see, let me lean back, it's layered. You see how like they have it layered? So they have some nice layers in here, so it's super cute. And this is what it looks like if she's just to the side. So I did do a side part because that's my go-to, and this one is going, there was no lace to cut off on this one, so she comes exactly like this, straight out of the pack. I didn't cut any lace, and the parting space isn't that deep. It definitely comes before my ears, so it's not that deep. And she starts off, you can see, well, it is called DR130, so it's gonna have the dark root. That's what the DR stands for. So in comparison to some other wigs that you have to cut the lace off of, she will look a little bit more wiggy, I guess you could say, because you definitely have like the round line there because it came with the lace pre-cut. But I don't mind that because, like I said, I'm not trying to make this hair look like it's coming out of my scalp. But if you are, some tricks you can do, you can cut a little triangle in the part right here. I didn't do that because I'm definitely a throw on and go type of girl. So that's what I did to this wig. I threw it on, but I did put some concealer in the part. Now what I will say is I did like the part in comparison to like all of my other wigs, even my human hair wigs. This one had a wider parting space. You know, usually the parting space is like really thin, which I don't even know why they do that, because of course that looks super unnatural. But this one had a nice parting space, so I just put a little bit of concealer in there. And like I said, there are some things you can do if you want to lay some baby hairs down. If that's your thing, you can definitely cut some of those. It doesn't come with baby hairs though. And so let me see if I can turn around to the back. Well, this is the side view. And then this is all to the back. So yeah, she definitely is a lower density wig. But I love the color. I love the body. She has a lot of movement. So if you're thinking about getting the Lenore wig, I highly recommend it. She is gorgeous. Look at that body. Like, look at how she's moving. And I do think she can be worn on an everyday basis, just like I said. You know, the collection is called the Daily Wig. So I 100% agree with that. Like I said, I haven't tested it out, but she seems like she's fairly durable and easy to care for. Like I said, she's gonna tangle and shed, but she's a synthetic wig, so of course that's gonna happen. And let me show you, this wig has made me want to get another wig from Outre's Daily line, because let me show you the stock card. Can y'all see how many wigs they have in this collection? Like, are you kidding me right now? Look at this. And then they have more on the back. Like, Outre was not playing with y'all at all. Outre said they were going to give y'all a whole line of daily wigs. So they say that this is made of premium synthetic fibers. It's a lace part wig. Like I said, no, it's not lace front. And it's made of a breathable mesh cap, and it's heat styling friendly. So if you want to throw some curls in here, you definitely can. So I probably will do that, because like I said, I think everything looks better with curls. So I'll probably throw some curls in her if I feel like taking a little extra time one day. And yeah, she would be super cute. So you can definitely style her any way that you want to. And let me tell you guys the price. I got this off of wigtypes.com and it was $24.94, so less than $25 for this body and texture. I think that's a really great price. So if you're thinking about getting the Lenore wig, any wig from the Daily collection, this particular color looks amazing. Of course, it comes in so many other colors. I'm looking at like a 1B, 2 T30, burgundies, blondes. So whatever your cup of tea is, they have the color for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely stay tuned for more wig videos. I'll see you guys next time.